Good morning, class family. It's a thankful Thursday. Let's look at our message together. Show me that you're a team and a class family. Follow along with your eyes and listen with your ears. Use your finger to point. Ready? Start in the top right-hand corner with the date. June 5th, 2025. Dear class family, today is Thursday. We will learn a lot at school. First, we will learn about letters and sounds. Next, we will do literacy centers. Then, we will review and retell a story. After that, we will apply phonics and vocabulary and context. Last, we will compare and contrast the adventures of characters and stories. Love, Miss Joyner. All right, readers, when we look back and reread the message, remember that's what good readers do. They reread. They do this so their brain can understand the words on the page. Use your finger to point. Start in the top right-hand corner with the day's date. I noticed the month is spelled with capital letter J, then U-N-E. What does that say? You're right, it does say June. If you knew that, great job. Notice the capital letter J to start. Good writers and mathematicians capitalize the first letter of each month of the year because it's special and important. They also capitalize the first letter of each day of the week. Okay, readers, we're going to continue to reread from top to bottom and left to right. June 5th, 2025. Dear class family, today is Thursday. It is Thursday. It's a thankful Thursday. We will learn a lot at school. Oh, that's true, class family. We do that every single day, working on being a portrait of a graduate. We're practicing being a great communicator and collaborator by speaking clearly with our mouths and listening with our ears. That's what good communicators do. And each day at school, we're working hard, learning how to be a strong listener. Remember, a strong listener uses their eyes for watching, ears for listening, mouth is silent when someone else is speaking, body is still and in one place. Are you being a strong listener in kindergarten? All right, readers, at this time, we're going to go through the transitional words and phrases that good readers and writers use when putting the events of a story in order from beginning to end. Are you ready? Okay, say the words together. First, next, then, after that, last. First, we will learn about letters and sounds. Oh, we will. And we're going to use so many resources. Shout out to Benchmark Advance. We'll be using your resources the most today during our language arts block. In addition to using the alphabet chart, we'll use this to review letters, sounds, pictures to match that letter, and American Sign Language, starting with A, apple, all the way down to Z, zipper. We also have some YouTube channels. Shout out to Jack Hartman's YouTube channel, Mr. B's, The Singing Walrus, The Learning Station, Hopscotch. In addition to some other electronic resources, we really are grateful for Brain Pop Jr. and Mayan as well. Next, we will do literacy centers. We will, and you're going to be writing the letter Q, uppercase and lowercase q today. And you're also going to be writing the room. You're going to be doing some box literacy centers in the room, meeting with teachers in groups and reading books. Remember, all day long, you're going to be using the 5 pre-writing strokes. Good writers use this when writing letters, drawing pictures, and writing numbers. We have up and around, touch, pull down, touch, push over, slant right, slant left. Then we will review and retell a story. We will. And remember, Unit 8 is focused on weather and seasons with the essential question, how do our lives change with the seasons? We've been thinking about this essential question. We're going to look back, review and retell this story. Rain, rain, stay a day. So we're going to be doing that and being great communicators. After that, we'll apply phonics and vocabulary and context. We will. And we're reviewing the letter V like vive, van, and vase, as well as the letter Q like Q, question, and queen. We're going to review these letters and then apply phonics and vocabulary and context when reading Come Quick. This is in our Unit 8 magazine, and there's also the electronic version on the smartboard where the words are highlighted and it's read aloud as it guides our eyes from top to bottom and left to right. Alrighty. Last, we will compare and contrast the adventures of characters and stories. We will, and looking back at Two Wool Gloves, this is by Bo Jin, illustrated by Lily. We're going to compare and contrast the characters of this in this story and another story. And you know what? Good readers do that. They compare and contrast things, and we're going to be doing that with the characters in that story. It's going to be a fantastic day at school. Get your fans ready. Fantastic. Remember, all day long, you're going to be a great communicator. We're going to practice doing that today at school in kindergarten. And one of the ways we're going to do that is with a would you rather question. We're going to do a T-chart and we're going to be answering the question, would you rather be very hot or very cold? Think about your answer and get ready to share why. We're going to put the word hot on the left of our T-chart at the top and cold on the right. We'll do a tally mark and you'll explain your thinking. Would you rather be very hot or very cold?